Lord. I call it the shrine. And to better explain it in my dialect, which is Ewe language, I name it Chuchudope. Chuchudope, which means the foundation. The temple of the Lord is brought to you by the nature, by the divine guidances. Subscribe if you want to embrace a new journey. You know, we have different journeys. Growth combine a lot of journeys. Personal growth, you know, combine a lot of journeys. You have the spiritual journey there, which must be the major one. The financial